Hi.
Hi. Well, we made it part of the way.
We made it through. We still got a long journey to go. We made it through the Slenderman.
Tessa told me, said, hey, look, what's going on? I won't get stuck. All these briars. Holy moly.
Yeah, Tessa's been going, oh my God, briars. Oh my God, coming all up and down. They're idiots. I hate them.
Briars are idiots? Well, they're where they're supposed to be. We're not where we're supposed to be.
Hideous.
Huh? Hideous.
Yeah, not
They're
hideous.
hideous.
Tessa, seriously, don't step on that. That's a dead limb, Tessa. Woo! Surfing the waves. You're an idiot.
Got me out here. Ow! Wild Woods, North Carolina. Yeah.
Right.
Okay, girls, keep going.